Today in Go Battle League, we're using the Kanto birds for the battle. Let's see if we get absolutely shit on or we actually do good. Alright, Ethan, Aiden, 30. Oh my god! Electric ice, and that's electric. This thing definitely knows electric charge move. Oh my god, I'm Articuno. Don't die, Articuno, don't die. Oh, it's Crunch! I gotta work on electric. Alright, Articuno. If they protect, that's good, but also... Oh, alright, save your shields, I see. Ooh, Shiny Deoxys? Alright, I say we bring this up. Dude, Shiny Deoxys, I love Shiny Deoxys. Oh no! I don't like the sound of that. Alright, we got our HE Power Zapdos. With the Mewtwo, Shiny Mewtwo! Alright, do I protect? I'm gonna protect. So now it's down to the Deoxys. Alright. I'm surprised. I don't even know what to say.